C5 says to factor each expression completely using the chunking method. Again, I'm not going to tell you how to factor it. I'm just going to tell you to factor it. And this one says the chunking method, and you don't actually need to use it. Don't need to. But I'm first going to show you guys Xbox, and then maybe you guys will want to do chunking. So let's try it. A times C is negative 99. B value is 30. I'm going to list out all the factors of 99. I think we can do that. 99 times 1, 3 times 33, and it looks like that's the answer, right? So let's put that in. 33 and 3. If I do a minus, this multiplies to be a negative, but that adds to be a positive. I'm going to put in the top left, the first term always goes there. Last term always goes in the bottom, and then these two numbers that we just found, we're going to add an x. Next, we're going to try to find our greatest common factor. 3x, 3x, negative 1, and this one looks to be positive 11, right? And you can just multiply 9x squared, negative 3x, 33x, negative 11. And so my answer is 3x minus 1, 3x plus 11. Raise your hand if you got that. Alright, let me show you guys the chunking method. Again, you don't need to use the chunking method, but it might be super helpful. What is the chunking method? It basically says, can you put a number in the parentheses? So when you square it, equals 9x squared, and the same number that you put in the parentheses times something will equal 30x. So I'm going to guess that number is 3x. Because 3x squared gives you 9x squared. And then something times 3x gives you 30x. So that will be 10. And then I just have the minus 11. I'm going to do my substitutions. So my box is equal to 3x. So no longer am I writing 3x, I'm just drawing a box. Then my x method, a times c is negative 11, b value is 10. Two numbers that multiply to be 11 are 11 times 1. And this is negative, so this will be a negative 1. So my box plus 11 and box minus 1. And then I just put my box back in there. So you get 3x plus 11 and 3x minus 1, which is actually the same answer, right? What's the point of the chunking method? It just makes your a value from 121 and goes down to 1. So it works. You work with smaller numbers. This one was definitely quite large.